Hi there, welcome back to another exciting video. Have you heard of Chatgpt? Do you know the uses of Chatgpt? And do you know it can actually be used in your videos, or you can actually optimize Chatgpt during your uploads? Or maybe I didn't explain it properly. You can actually use Chatgpt to give you ideas on your description of the video. You know, when uploading videos, you need to input some information in the description. Okay, sometimes you think about what to upload, what to write, and you don't know what exactly to put together in your description. But using Chatgpt, it can give you the best description for the video you are making. So without wasting much time, let's hop onto Chatgpt and let's see how we can use this to get our description for this particular video. So this video is how to prepare assorted fried rice in the village kitchen setting. Okay, how to prepare assorted fried rice in the village kitchen setting. So I want to describe this kind of video, but let me go to Chatgpt and see what it can do for me. So first of all, let me copy this title because I'll be needing it. Copy. Then we go to just type Chatgpt, then enter. It will just take you to the site. Okay, so this is how it is. This is the logo. You see this here, that's the logo. So just click here and it will take you here. What can I help with? Okay, so you have to give Chatgpt an order. So you can tell Chatgpt, this and this is what I want you to make for me. Then it's just going to generate everything for you. People use this to make videos, to make stories, you know, this animated stories and all that. People use this video. You just put in the topic of the video you want and it's going to give you the script. Then you use other platform to generate your images and then make your video. Okay, it is really helpful. So what I'm going to do is to type generate a description of my video on YouTube using on YouTube with the title then you paste the title of the paste. So generate a description of my video on YouTube with the title how to prepare assorted fried rice in a village kitchen setting. It shouldn't be more than it shouldn't be more than how many words? Let me say 1,000 words. 1,000 words. It shouldn't be more than 1,000 words. Include my channel's name. Include my channel's name. Include my channel's name. What's my channel's name? Namay Creations in the description. Creations, I got this wrong. Creations in the description. Okay, so let's read through again. generate a description of my video on YouTube with a title, how to prepare assorted fried rice in a village kitchen setting. It shouldn't be more than 1,000 words. Include my channel's name, Namay Creations, in the description. So this is the order I've given to ChatGTP. Okay, so I'm going to click on enter and allow ChatGTP to generate the description it has for me. So enter. Okay, so let's see. All right. Yeah. Did you just see that? Did you just see how the words were just popping up? So let's go through this so we can make changes to this as well. Okay, so description. Welcome to Namay Creations. In this delightful video, we take you on a culinary journey to a serene village setting to prepare assorted fried rice using traditional methods. Watch as we cook with fresh, locally sourced ingredients and add a touch of authenticity to this much loved dish. From chopping vibrant vegetables to slicing them in a... Can you just see this? In fact, I can't even say some of the words, but can you just see how beautiful this description is? There will be no way I could even put my thoughts together to write something like this in my description. I'll just write, in this video I teach, or I make a tutorial, I teach on how I made this fried rice in my village kitchen using this and this and that, and that would be all. But look at what ChatGTP was able to give to me to put on my description. In fact, let me copy this. So let's copy this, copy, and voila, you click on copy. So we even have hashtag assorted fried rice, hashtag village cooking, hashtag Namay Creations, hashtag fried rice recipe, hashtag outdoor cooking. Wow. Well, let's go and paste it on our channel. Once you get here, you paste. See, you know, there is so much to learn once you're on YouTube. Nothing, I mean, you are not, you haven't finished learning. We are always learning. There are new things are emerging. So once you realize there are new things emerging, you have to hop onto it and utilize it in making your videos, and your videos are going to be nice videos. Okay, so see, welcome to Namay Creations. In this delightful video, we take you on it. Oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. I don't even need to edit it. I'll just leave it as it is because I'm so much in love with this description. Okay, unless you want to add something to it, then you can click. As you can see down here, your description is not supposed to pass 5,000 words. Okay, so I gave ChatGTP to generate not more than 1,000 words for me, so it gave me this. But if I gave it to generate words worth 4,000, it would have done that. Okay, but I don't think people have that time to be reading through all that. So what you can add here is the links to the other videos you have, and then hashtags, your other accounts you have, and all, anything you want to say there, you can add it to it. But for the description, I think this is okay. All right, so once you're done, you click on what's next, and it's going to take you to the video elements, the checks, the visibility, and all that. Okay, then you do that. I have made a video on how you can add end screens and cards to your videos. Okay, adding end screens and cards and stuff to your video. So this is end screen and card. I've made videos on that. I'll put the link somewhere up, or it will be in the description, so you can click and then watch those videos. All right, so I hope you find this video helpful. Optimize the use for Chatgpt, and it's going to really help you in making your videos. Okay, you don't need to rack your brain to be able to put words together to make your description. Just copy your titles, go to Chatgpt, enter, and then write something about it. Okay, tell Chatgpt to generate. Always start with generate something. Okay, generate a description, generate something about this kind of topic in this place using this and that. So tell, when you command Chatgpt, it's going to give you results, right? That is what I've noticed. So hop onto it and do it, and let me know how the experience is for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Don't forget to also comment, because I want to know how you felt after watching this. All right, see you next time in my next video. It's bye for now. Bye.